Hi, everybody. Welcome to this last webinar, last appointment of this year-long project, the 4 seasons in orofacial pain. It is with enormous pleasure that this evening, as we did in the last occasion, we have the opportunity to host a friend of ours, a former student of ours, Matteo Pollis, who will talk about sleep apnea and sleep bruxism. This is going to be the third and last appointment of our Bruxism season that has been really interesting, at least I hope. And Matteo will be the closer, presenting very interesting material on the correlation between these two conditions. Matteo has been a former student of mine at the University of Padua when I teach there. And over the years, he developed a very nice and very well-rounded skills over both topics, sleep apnea and sleep bruxism.
To have apnea and hypopnea event without changing the body position. So she remained in the supine position for all the registration. So it was quite interesting because during all this higher activity of massage, she didn't have any apnea or hypopnea events. Instead, again, the same patients, she started to have again apnea and hypopnea events, and the masseter activity in this case was really mild with some burst, so a phasic activity that we already now we know that probably all this activity are referred to an arousal, not just isolated